In this video, I'm going to show you how to change iPhone alarm sound. Now, if you are tired of the bing highly loud iPhone default alarm, here's what you need to do. You need to locate your clock app and then click on alarm. Then you want to click on that alarm and then click on sound. From here, you have a lot of different sounds. You have some classic ones. And of course, you can even pick a song if you have it in your library, or you can just set a vibration, or you can create a new vibration pattern, and that's basically it. And of course, with everything, you can have no vibration or no sound whatsoever, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.